Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Beautiful Beauty, and in today's video I am doing the second look with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and this is the palette I'm going to use today. This beautiful palette, and these are the colors. If you haven't seen my previous video, I will put a link down below if you want to see my first impression and swatching of this palette. But this is part 2 or look 2 for this palette. So I said in my previous video that I'll be doing more looks using this palette, more wearable looks. So today is the second look using this palette. So this is what I've created. Super easy, super quick, and definitely wearable. I will wear this during the day or at nighttime. I will put false lashes for night. During the day it's fine. Maybe less intense eyeliner. So yeah, if you like what you see and you want to know what I've done, how I've done it, what I've used, how I used it with this palette, I have already done my face base. You've seen me do this so many times before. If you haven't seen me do this before, there are other videos, you can check it out, and I'll put the link down below for my foundation routine as well if you want to see. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get started so you can see. Alright, so I'm going to go in my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and going to do look number 2. So first I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's called Certified. Under my brows have been a little funny, so I'm just going to fix that first and give myself a highlight. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just highlighting my brow bone. The next color I'm going to go in is called Homeboy. It's right here. This beautiful brown color. I'm going to take the same fluffy brush, and this color is going in my crease. Next color I'm going to take is this one here. It's called Feeling Myself. It's a beautiful neon sort of orange. It's a beautiful orangey color. It's not neon. It looked neon, but it's not. And I'm going to take this on a sort of flat brush, flat sort of fluffy brush, and this is going to go underneath my crease. I'm going to go in with that color again called Homeboy, which is this brown here. And I'm going to take that previous brush again, the fluffy brush, and now I'm going to put that color on the outer corner and intensify. I was hoping for a darker brown in here than Homeboy, but there is none. They're all purple. So I'm just going to use this one for my outer corner. I love that combination of that orange with brown. It is so bloody gorgeous. I'm going to intensify that orange. I'm going to take that flat brush again that I had that orange on, which is Feeling Myself. And I'm going to just intensify it in my crease and blend that brown. Oh, it looks so gorgeous. That color with that brown. Who knew? Now I'm really torn between Flawed and Odd, this really pretty orangey color shimmer, and this Get Ready With Me, and they both look amazing, so I don't know which one I should use. I was really intrigued by Get Ready With Me, which is GRWM, so I'm going to use that. And I'm going to take a flat brush. It's a real bristle brush. Let's see how that one looks. If not, then I'll see if I should use my finger. I feel like I need to spritz it. I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus and spray this on the brush. That is intense. One side with spritz on my brush and one side with my finger, and To be honest, if you apply one with your finger, it almost looks like you spritz it with Fix Plus or some sort of setting spray. So you can do either. They both look really good. There's a little bit of fallout with the shimmer, but that's pretty obvious that it would happen. What I would usually do is take a brush and just clean it, or I'll do my eye makeup first. I'm gonna go in that Homeboy again, which is this color right here, this one right here, the brown, and I'm going to go in my fluffy brush again and intensify the outer corner. I'm going to take a flat brush and going to take that Homeboy on the flat brush. I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. With my Lakme eyeliner. I was thinking not to do eyeliner, but I don't want to put falsies on, so I'm gonna do eyeliner and then just do mascara. Freaking eyeliner on my face, so I had to remove it and redo it. My undries, I couldn't tell too much of a difference, but this is what it is. I don't know if I want to put fake lashes on. Maybe I want to, maybe I don't. Okay, let me curl my lashes and I'll see how I feel. So for curling my lashes, I'm going to go in with my Shiseido lash curler. For my lashes, I'm going to use my L'Oreal's Telescopic mascara. Before I put my mascara on my lower lashes, I'm going to go in with my Clinique felt tip pen here, and I'm going to line my lower lashes. I'm loving doing this process. Now I'm going to take a Q-tip and just clean my waterline from any eyeliner. And I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal mascara and do my lower lashes. I'm going to take this Clarins lip oil here. I think this is a limited edition. It was a Christmas version. I'm just going to put it between my lips. And I'm going to take this Lancome lip shaker. Looks like this. It's in color Energy Peach 272. I don't know if they still do this, but let me try this. I'm gonna go in Bobbi Brown, and this one is the Luxe lip color in Bellini. This is like a peachy sort of nude. Let's see how this will look. Maybe this is too pink. I mean, it's not too bad with this, but could have been better. Oh, this is the final look. Looks like this. So this look was so super easy. I only used 3 colors from the palette, and you can intensify these colors. It is, I mean, again, I'm really impressed with the palette. The colors I've used today I haven't used before, so it was really cool. The mattes were really pigmented, very easy to use, very soft to put on your eyes. You don't have to go really harshly. It just spreads easily, blends out easily. With the shimmer, it was really cool because you can really intensify it with your finger or spritz on your brush, or you can just take it on your brush and put it on like a very slight sort of shimmer. There was a little bit of fallout with the shimmer, but I mean, that's not crazy at all. And if you do your eyes first, obviously any fallout you can just clean it. Didn't see any fallout with the mattes. There was a little bit of fallout in the pan, but that's pretty obvious, like it's gonna happen anyway, especially if the color is quite pigmented and not pressed too harshly. But other than that, I'm really impressed with the colors. I used the colors that I've not used before, and like I said, I will keep on doing more looks with this palette, so to show you that you can actually create more wearable sort of look. Next one, I can try use a bit more intenser sort of colors for more like a nighttime look. This can be a daytime look or a nighttime look. You can put a falsies on for nighttime or leave it like this for daytime. You can have less intense eyeliner, but I wanted to have intense eyeliner just because I like it. But obviously you don't have to. You can just put a very thin layer of eyeliner. You don't have to have any eyeliner on your eyes, or you can have a wing eyeliner that is not super intense. You can have your lower lashes with the eyeliner, or don't have to have it. I'm loving this look at the moment, so I'm doing that, but obviously you don't have to. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun. I always have fun when I have to be creative. And yeah, like I said, I want to do more wearable sort of looks, so you'll see me do more looks that you can actually wear during the day or at night. So yeah, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have anything to say or say hello. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can see more looks from this palette or any other videos that I will do, so you'll get notified. And until next time, hope you guys have a beautiful day, be happy and be positive. I'll see you guys later. Bye.